This is one of our old factories. On the screen is its 3D digital twin. By configuring it in the GST 3D editor, all the factory's environmental indicators are hung in the air. For example, PM2.5. These tiny, invisible particles love to dive straight into your lungs. Next to it is PM10, which tracks dust and larger particles, the more rough players. The Air Quality Index, AQI, is like a health code for the factory. Green means relax, yellow means caution. Temperature, humidity, and air pressure are no longer tiny numbers in a table, but weather stewards inside the scene. There are also more hidden volatile organic compounds, bVOCe. Any area that exceeds the limit will light up instantly in the scene. Every change is recorded, so we can both trace problems and guide energy saving and emission reduction. From PM2.5 to bVOCe, from air quality to temperature and humidity, the digital twin makes the factory environment truly visible and manageable.